Okay. Nice. Okay. I have gotten decent amount of bat hide over here, so that is not bad. Actually worked out pretty well. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my god. It's okay, it is every single time a copy of the boss. This boss is over here. Ah, okay. And I hated this boss actually. He is the frost boss, I think. Let's see. Yes. Where was the indication over there? There was no indication that he would. Okay, I'm doing the ultimate right now. Nice. Okay. While you are there, you might also visit the merchant. Yeah. I will check that. What is this? Okay, let's see. Did I get... I got the jewel. I did not get a single ancestral weapon. I'm sad. $384. Roughly around 350 to 400. Greatest Stygian shard from each tier 2 rift. Longbow. That's of no use. Let's see. I will go there and probably do one more rift. Because it's daytime, it makes no sense for me to go back to the base. I mean, I still have to... General Cassius the Betrayer, sure. Yeah, I still have to craft the bat leather and stuff, so I can head back home, but I didn't get a single ancestral weapon from that. There is no way I'm going back like that. 5%. Okay, Vampire Merchant.
Seeking power, Nightkin.
1500. Yeah, I need to do like 4 to 5. Probably 4. I need to do 4 of these. What is that?
Perhaps we can be of use to each other.
Why does he have 20 copies of these? Like what? He has 20 copies of this specific one. Slasher, Sword, Reaper, Axis. New goods in 13 minutes. What new goods? Does that change? How does that change? Okay, anyway. So let me do this rift. Nice. The bear just destroyed him. Let's see what it does. It's just killing all of them. Come on, help me, go in there. No? It just despawned. that gave me bat hide. Oh, so she drops bat hide. Okay. Oh my god. Who did that hit? Did that miss? Yeah, she drops bat hide. Nice. Okay. That went pretty well. Yeah, you have to quickly kill these guys, or else if it spawns like 2 times, one on top of the other, then there will be way too many enemies. What are you doing? Oh, she was in the prison. She got freed. Okay, where is the next one? Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Okay. Dude, just let me go. Thank you. Is there any reason for me to kill them? No. That missed. Blood Moon. I have the worst blood quality, so it's absolutely useless. Oh, that's 76%, but I can't really drain blood in the middle of this fight. Oh my god. %. What about you? You are also 7%. Nice. Okay, done. No good servant yet? No. There is no good servant because every time I find a good servant, I just kill him before realizing that he is good servant. That has happened so many times now. I found like level 90 or something person. I did not even drain his blood. Before I realized that he was level 90 or something, I killed him. Who is this guy?
You are my
Oh, it was this guy. Okay. Wait a second. I should have healed. What am I doing? I'll probably die now because of that. Oh my god. Oh, he heals in that form.
This is the eternal night. Walk with the shadows.
Okay, first kill this stupid thing and then kill one of these guys. No. Oh my god. Okay, I should probably reset, honestly. What is this? Okay. Did he not drop any blood vessel? Oh no, not charm, not the charm. Thank you. Okay. Oof. Okay, extract him first before I do anything. Thank you. I got this. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was that? I did so many mistakes in that fight, it was insane. But some of the things just worked out. He started chasing me. And he got separated from the mob, so I could kill him. Okay. Now let's see. I have not seen what I have gotten. I just looted everything without even thinking what I got. Let's see. I did... Do you not get a weapon? Why am I only getting these? At least it's a good greatest Stygian farm, I guess. Greatest Stygian shard farm. Okay. I'll go here then. Hopefully there I will get something. And I won't die probably. And I won't mistakes like this. I won't do mistakes like this probably. Okay. But that was so surprising. Like immediately there were so many different mobs. Okay. Also, let me just heal right now for a second.
Restore my body.
I'm in battle, so I can't heal full. Just do that. When everyone gets clumped together and all of them die together, that's so funny. What is this buff? Spells have their cooldowns reduced by 1%. Oh, that was from my this ability. I don't have dodge. You know, I did not even realize till now that this was one of the... Wait, why are you healing? Why are you healing? Okay. The moment he's very low, he just dips. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Barrier. Okay. Just die. Thank you. I did not even realize this was a rift. And I was actually clearing it till like halfway into this. She is dead. One rift down. Is the boss spawned yet? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, now where else? Over there. I'm just interrupting him. Just die, thank you. What? How did... Dude, he... Okay. Just die, thank you. He started healing again, but my illusion spell cancels the... It's like an interrupt, so that's nice. 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 Okay. Everything is cleared. The only thing left is this boss. Oh, what is this? Better be good loot. I mean, it's something. Physical power. Which boss is this? Werewolf boss?
Blood sustains me.
Maybe. Okay. That missed. Oh my god, I thought he would go further away. Okay, you are dead. Bye. Nice. This guy was so easy. I mean, it's because none of the mobs like cluttered together along with him to kill me, right? So, it was easy. Yeah, okay, none of these guys are actually dropping me stuff. Like the... You know, it says ancestral weapon, but I never got an ancestral weapon. Oh! Unstable Eclipse. It's for power surge though. Shield target for 51. Also, it's supporting spell. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I'm never using that. How much do I have now? 1190? I might not get enough Greater Stygian Shard even if I do this. I might have to do this and this. I think I'll probably head back to base. I wanted to make good... I wanted to get the weapon, if at least like one weapon, and see how it is. But I did not get it. I have gotten ancestral weapons in tier 1 rift multiple times. But I have done very limited amount of them and I have gotten ancestral weapons over there. But I did like three of these, but I did not get them. Oh. It's fine, it's fine. Do that. Also, I don't want this. Take that down. Oh, I got the exact book which I was missing. Okay. Nice. I mean, it's just for me to collect everything. It's of no use. I won't be using the bow. Okay. I did not even see this. Nice. How much do I have? 11. Okay. This at least is useful. Noble fences and fountains. And there's so much decoration in this game. Every time I unlock a new decoration, I'm like stun locked. Like, how can there be so many? Like, my castle is very bland. I have done nothing. I want to unlock all the decorations first before I start decorating my castle. And I'll probably spend like one offline stream or one offline session to do that. But you know, I might finish the game before I do that. So yeah. But late game, like now, it's like very slowed down. I'm not going the same pace as I was going before. I was doing like 6 to 7 bosses a session. Now I am doing like 3, 4 bosses, or yeah, 3 bosses. Today it was 3 bosses. Tomorrow it will probably be 2 bosses or 3 bosses again, and then Dracula. So yeah. Now let me take the bat hide. Is it called bat hide? Yeah. Let's see. Here, let me just put that. So I will make 10, total of 10. No, 6, 14, I think, yeah. Adam was a pain. You know, that's a spoiler. I don't know their names still. Oh, this guy, Adam the firstborn. Adam the... Oh, let me check the... What do I get from these? Dracula's boots. Oh, there is another set of armor? Ah, okay. Why are there 4 different boots? Okay. And there is one more. Okay. Where is the chest piece? You get it from this guy? You get it from Dracula, the chest piece? Really? I guess it's for like... I don't know what it's for. If you get it from him, when will that be useful for you? I guess it will be useful for you in PvP, but... How is that useful in PvE? Like, what is there after Dracula? I'm not sure. Anyway, so... Okay, that's looking pretty good. Let's see. 14, perfect. Now let's see. I probably can make like one... Oh, wait, what did I need this for? Oh! This one. Ghost yarn. Okay, 6 ghost yarn. I completely forgot what I needed that for. Okay. Also, I need these ghost rooms. Done. This might be a waste of like bat leather. I might need to farm a bat hide a lot more now since I use most of it over here, but still, it's fine. Do that. Perfect. Fully upgraded bag, which gives me even health. I don't know why the bag gives me health, but sure, I will take it. 30% is resource sun resistance. What? Why does this give me sun resistance? I will take it. Okay, sun resistance and silver coin immunity. Nice. Perfect. Now let me put this over here. And okay, not that. So this one, I can put it over there. Okay. So I need this. So I need the mutant grease. I will start farming. Yeah, the end game is just PvP. That or you grind shards for passives. Passives! I completely forgot about passives. You need the Stygian shards even for these, right? Stygian shard, greater. Yeah, so much Stygian shard. Yeah, it's just grinding for these. I guess you get more powerful with these, and which is only useful for PvP at the end of the day. Or you farm them right now and try to get these passives. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be doing all of that. I mean, if I get stuck on a boss like really hard, then I will start farming all of that. If not, I will just keep doing it. Keep going further and further ahead. Do that. Oh, I have the... Nice. But yeah, I think I'll be ending my stream here now. I think this is a good place for me to stop because so there is nothing left for me to do. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, I can try Primal Jewels, but that's it. There is nothing else. Let's see the spells. I unlock this and I unlock this. Okay. All spells are probably unlocked now. Okay, good. So yeah, so next stream, tomorrow I will just try tackling these down. 1, 2, these two, and see if I can craft these armor pieces and go from there. So yeah, I think this is a perfect place because the only thing that is left for me to do is tackle these bosses, and I don't have time to do that right now. So yeah. So yeah, with that, I'll be ending my stream here and I'll be continuing where I left off tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.